In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to key out a green screen in After Effects with Keylight 1.2. By the end, you'll have a clean key and a new background sitting perfectly behind your subject, ready for your final composites. Start by selecting your footage layer in the timeline. This should be the clip shot against a green or blue backdrop. Clicking the layer ensures any effects you apply go exactly where they should, and it also brings the effect controls into focus so you can see your changes right away. Next, go to the top menu and choose Effect, then Keying, and select Keylight 1.2. You'll see the Keylight controls appear, and this is where the magic happens. Look for the property labeled Screen Color, click the eyedropper and sample a clean area of your green or blue background. Aim for a mid-tone region that's free of shadows, hotspots, or edge glow. That initial sample should remove most of the background, but will refine it to get professional results. To fine-tune, it helps to change Keylight's view to screen matte so you can judge the transparency as a black and white image. Now adjust Clip Black to push faint background noise towards solid black, and Clip White to ensure your subject is solid white. Make small, careful changes. The goal is a crisp silhouette without chewing into important detail like hair or soft fabric. When the matte looks solid, switch the view back to final result. If the edges feel a bit loose, use Screen Shrink/Grow to tighten them slightly. A very small negative value can pull the edge in just enough to remove halos while keeping natural contours. Then address any green or blue contamination on the edges with spill suppression. Increasing spill suppression helps neutralize that colored fringe so your subject looks like they belong in the new environment instead of glowing against it. With your key looking clean, place your new background underneath the keyed footage. Drag the background layer into your composition and make sure it sits below the keyed layer in the timeline. That stacking order tells After Effects to show the background wherever the green or blue has been removed. Adjust the position and scale of the background if needed so it fits the scene naturally. Preview your timeline and look closely at edges and motion. If you see chatter or color bleed, return to Clip Black, White, Screen Shrink, Grow, or Spill Suppression for small, precise tweaks. And that's it. Your subject is now convincingly composited over a new background using Keylight 1.2.